In this video, you'll learn how to share documents in Microsoft Teams during a meeting. This is an important skill whether you're working remotely, collaborating with a team, or need to share files with colleagues in real time. By the end of this tutorial, you will be confident sharing documents smoothly in your Teams meetings. To begin, access Microsoft Teams. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Click the Sign In button and enter your account details. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to your Teams dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Calendar. This section shows all your scheduled meetings and events, making it easy to manage your day. Find the meeting where you want to share a document. This can be an upcoming meeting or one that's already in progress. Click on the meeting to open its details, where you'll see information such as participants, the agenda, and meeting options. Next, open the meeting chat. Select the option labeled Open Meeting Chat. This chat area is where participants communicate, share links, and exchange files during the meeting. Inside the meeting chat, look at the bottom of the window and click the paperclip icon. This icon is used to attach files. After clicking the paperclip, choose Upload from this device. Your File Explorer will open, allowing you to browse your computer. Locate the document you want to share, select it, and confirm the upload. The upload time may vary depending on the file size and your internet connection. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear in the meeting chat. All participants can access the document, download it, and view or collaborate on it in real time. To make document sharing more effective, use clear and descriptive file names so participants know exactly what they're opening. It also helps to let your team know before you share the file, so everyone is ready. That's it. You now know how to share documents during a Microsoft Teams meeting. This simple feature can significantly improve collaboration and productivity, whether you're sharing project files, presentations, or meeting notes. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.